Oh, my head is shining. Shine, 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 shine. Hey cuties, it's your girl Kpcutie with another video. Today is day number, I think, 16th of Writers Prompt, or 365 days of self-discovery. Kind of a little tired. I probably won't cut that part out, but yeah. Anyways, before we guys get in this video, guys, I want you guys to go ahead, like, subscribe, don't forget to comment down below, and also hit the little bell to be notified when I post a video, and go follow my social media pages, link down in the description box below. And yeah, let's get into this video.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding this logic. Back in a better. Baby, it's whatever. Getting the right, left hand is steering, the other is gripping your thigh. Gotta be sick on this night. Pull up skirt, skirt. Pull up skirt. Setting kids on playing games, and it's love and ain't the same. I don't know what to say, but.
Okay kids, today is number 16 of Writers Prompt, and today our Writers Prompt of the day is greeting. What's greeting to you? Oh, what's greetings to you? Well, greetings. Oh, that's why I'm like, why is my thing so zoomed in? I have the camera zoomed in. But greetings to me means basically it's like a way for you to be able to greet the other person in a formal way, or it's like a first time where you ever showing someone else your personality, your traits, and who you are as a person. And also it's a different way for you to acknowledge other people, or at least get to know other people, and to know if they're gonna be into your circle, your clique, or anything like that. Be right back. Greetings. Every time I think of greetings, I think of gestures. I don't know why. I am, well, not most of you guys, or some of you guys know me, is that I am a very happy, sociable, loving person. And sometimes I am sassy. Can be bossy a lot of times, but I am I'm like a big fireball. I'm a little bit of everything, so. Well, not everything, but everything that is sweet. But yeah, when I think of greetings, I think of gestures. You know how you give people the gestures, grand gestures, you give them, show them I am here for you, and I'm gonna show my undying love towards you. And I'm always like that. I'm just a sucker for love and sucker for romantic gestures. I don't know why when I just think of greetings, I think of that. I don't know, because probably that's how my mentality think. I think of happiness and love and stuff like that. But yeah, greetings is, for me, well, greetings is definitely is a way you can be able to get to know the person, or identify with the person, or understand how you basically interact with people, and how they will interact with you back and stuff like that. But it's a simple hi, how's your day? Is give you that energy of it depends on what type of person greets you. They greet you in a mean way, or sassy way, or a happy way. It depends on what they do. Say they greet you say hi, how's your day, and a good energy, but sometimes they feel off sometimes, and they just still have to greet you in some way, and you can feel that. You can feel the negative of the energy with them, tends you have say for instance, instead of saying for some people say good morning, good grand rising, or hello, or how's your day, or oh, it's good to see you, stuff like that. Like my greetings is like for me, how to greet you of being like in my happiness or my good state, or when I'm like super lovable at the time. I usually give people hugs. Like hugs is my greeting of saying how much I love you, hi, or how you're feeling, or just like that warmness of like knowing that I'm truly giving you love and you giving me love back. Is like, that's my greeting. Like hugs is my greeting of saying hello, I'm here for you. If you need me, I am giving you the love that you deserve and stuff like that. So that's why I give people hugs when I greet them or when I see them. Like I give my family hugs, but sometimes they're like how they're, oh yeah, greetings, like their time, like I was saying before, there's different type of greetings. Like for instance, how my family, like how we greet each other, it's like multiple different ways. For me, I either greet them with a hello, hi, or hug. But for instance, how I say it, my sister, she either greets you with a joke or a sarcastic remark, or she greets you like a hug, or be playing joking with you, because that's how her personality. She's like a jokester, she's fun, and that's how she basically show her love or her greetings towards other people. And like how my brother, he greets you, like he either greets you by hi, because that just shows you that he's just like, I am here, I'm paying attention. But it's like a different ways of people how they greet you. Like you might have the ones that hugs, or like physical contact, or verbal, or what is it, physical, verbal, emotional, what is that, yeah, that's what it is. But basically we like greet you guys. I can't talk for this in like week. I'm sorry guys, I'm apologizing now that I might not be able to be talking correctly or in like a good full sentence, because right now is like not a good time for me to be on camera. But I am trying for you guys, because I love my fans, love my supporters. So thank you guys for supporting my videos. But yeah, greetings. It's just like another way of saying hello, or I love you, or I want to see how your day is going, or how you feel, or another way of showing you care for a person. Like, so that's what greetings means to me. Like it's a way you show or express yourself. Like I even wrote like a whole story about like how people dress in uniforms and how it feels. If you guys don't know that, I probably might even like show you guys the blog, because I still have somewhere, and also have like the paragraph. I have it published on the internet, so you can see it for yourself. So I might either link it down in the description box below, or show you like the image right here. But basically what I was talking about, how like you can't be like forcing like someone to wear something that you guys want them to wear, because that's not how they show or express themselves as they are. Like I don't like uniforms. Uniforms is not me. It just allows me to show who I am. All it does is it hinders me and like kind of like cripples me to not be able to like show who I am or express how fiery or energy I am. Because for me, for instance, I am like a free spirit. I am a person that loves to travel, show who I am, be different from others, and just like express like I don't care. Like I like to show, like I've been like how you can't even like show yourself, like if you're like wearing a uniform, you can't show how you want to be different or how you're trying to do things to discover yourself. Like, so for me, I'm learning that a lot of things. So like how, for instance, I've been like liking boho a lot, and boho has always been my favorite style, but I always been trying like to detour to something else. And that's when I found out that combat boots, and because I was going with emo style, gothic, and punk rock, but turns out I'm not a punk rock person. I'm more of a boho style, which they do wear combat boots, so that's why I kind of got them both mixed up. So, but at least I was trying something new, so I ended up finding out I thought I like boho style, like how Erykah Badu, what's her name, Lisa Bonet, like how their outfits and how their style is. Just, I like their styles. Like their styles and me go together very well. So even turns out that even my closet, it's exactly that color style. Like I definitely like boho. I like floral prints, like different type of. I like the 70s, like kind of hippie style, but not too crazy like that. But like something like that. But I like the waist beads. I like the kind of like the earthy tones of outfits. I like how, like, I even like leather, but in kind of like something like not like faux leather, like kind of like relaxed and stuff. So yeah, so that's why I'm like with greetings and like expressing yourself is like two things go into hand. Like how you greet people is how you express yourself, how you show who you are as a person. So I'm like, that's why I like greetings, or how greetings means to me is a way to express yourself and show who you are, or show the other person how you is, or just simply expressing yourself. Like it's like a way of saying like a lot of things to yourself. So greetings is number one, hands down. One things that I do love is to greet someone how I greet myself, or how I greet others, or how I like to want to be greeted as a person. But yeah, I really do like boho style. Like it's so cute, like the earthy kind of like flowy dresses. Like yeah, I've been like, my outfit choices from this year or last year or several is like been crazy. One minute I am in anime, once I'm in Paris like outfits, next I'm in like kind of like gothic, then emo, then punk rock, and now I'm transforming over to wearing boho style. So my outfit wardrobe choices has been crazy. Like it's been one thing after another. Like it's been one minute I'm one thing, next minute another thing. But that just shows you that testing out different things, or seeing what's your style it is, or seeing who you are as a person, change that. Like everyone's gonna grow through their own things, like grow to different things, like liking other things. Like I used to not like wedge sandals or sandals period, but then my style started to change and now I'm liking sandals. I'm not a sneakerhead, still not. I like my heels or platform shoes, but I am kind of like not going against it. Like I can wear sneakers and stuff. I'm slowly liking them, but not like in love with them, if you get on my drift. So it's okay to like stuff. It's okay that you're not also totally in love with stuff. So but yeah, greetings is definitely like a one way of showing and expressing who you are as a person. So, and also comment down, guys, like what's greeting means to you. Like is it like a form of endearment of like how you want to express yourself, or is a way of you showing like your care or like feelings towards a person or something? Whatever it is you guys choose to or want me to know, comment down below right here so I can know what you guys like talking about, or not talking about, but just know what you guys like, your different type of endearment or your type of like explanation or your point of view. Yes, that's the word, point of view of what greetings means to you. Because my definition of greetings may be different from yours, so I'm gonna know, so comment that down below. But yeah, I just like, it's just like greetings is like another whole level of level of different things. So I'm just like a bubble person. Like right now, this whole week it has been like one thing at another. It's been like stuff like I've been like hyper, so yeah, I need to kind of chill about being hyper, but I've been like happy, like enjoying and then just like living life. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to be, like just be and live. But it's been like, I've been stupid happy. Like I've been jumping down. Like I need to calm down. Like even with my speaking, like I am like super happy and joyful. So sorry about that. I probably was talking too fast for you guys. But that's me. Like you're gonna get what you get, and get what you get. Don't make a fit. I'm just me. So yeah, that's just really good. Feel good. that's it for the video, kitties. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below which part of the video you liked. And also comment down greetings if you guys made it this far in my video. Or if you guys enjoyed this writer prompt, I just want to know, so comment down below. Go also follow my social media pages, link down in the description box below, and check out my other recreates or my writer prompts or 365 days of self-discovery. Go ahead and check those other things out. I have a whole playlist linked down in the description box, or you can go ahead to my homepage and boom, I have a playlist for that. And also go check my recreates out for cause my recreates, I am back on game with recreates. I have a current one coming up very soon, so check it out. I might have posted this video before that, or maybe, I don't know. But yeah, go follow my social media pages, link down in the description box below. Follow my Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and my YouTube page. Also hit that little bell to be notified when I post a video. And see you guys in the next video. Bye kitties. Kitty out. Recreate is awesome, so check him out. Bye.
Still not understanding this logic. Back in a better